When you log into your Google Drive account, this is the homepage you will see. You'll be signed into your Drive, and anything here are things that you have uploaded or you have created in the Drive. You can create folders, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, Excel sheets, and even surveys and drawings. You can also upload files from your folder. This would be a good way to transfer your H Drive files or Flash Drive file to your Google Drive. Each file in here also has an icon to tell you what kind of file it is. You can either see a listing this way, or you can switch to a grid, which gives you a preview image of each file. It'll also tell you the last modified date that you made to the file. Some files have shared next to them, indicating that you have shared these with another user. This indicates that you are the owner of the file, but you are giving access to someone else. To see what is shared with you, click Shared with Me, and these are all the items that have been shared to me by someone else, and when they were shared with me. Again, I can see a preview of each item if I go to the grid mode. As you are uploading files to your Google Drive, is keeping track of how much space you are using. You have a very large space with an MSDLT Google account. And even though I have many things in here, I'm using just a tiny fraction. I can also create folders and organize these into folders just like I would on any other storage system. And when I check on an item, I get some other options. Here's where I can share it with another user. I can move it to a folder that I've already created. I can remove it, or I can even change its name and do some other things. If I wanted to create a folder, it will have a folder icon, and I could mass move items to this folder. Now I have put all my photos into a photo file, and over in my Drive I now have a subcategory that's a folder. I can share individual files, but I can also share an individual folder, which means everything in the folder is automatically shared. When I want to share something, I have several options. This is the link to the actual folder. Right now it is private and nobody else can see it, and nobody can change it except for me. I can enter the names of someone that has this access to this folder, and I can either let them edit anything in there or just see the things in there. Sort of a look but don't touch kind of thing. I could notify them by email, or I could not and just let it be shared with them. I could also share with anyone on the web if they had the URL. In this way, I could create things to show other people without having them log into a Google account as well. And since this is a Lawrence Township Google account, there are some other options for this also. When I want to sign out of my account, I click up here and click Sign Out.